You are now in the pitch creation stage. All files we have uploaded are now available to create the pitch. Files can be filtered by type or by folders. This makes it easy to find files quickly. In the bottom panel, you create the pitch by placing files into containers. One such container is already provided. You can add more by clicking the plus button. The pitch is strung together using several files placed into such containers. These files then become elements of the pitch. At this moment, only one container is available. Let us fill the first element of the pitch here. Drag a file into the first container. You can also create a personalized audio, video, or text message by clicking the Context Bridge button. Click the plus button to add another container. Drag the second element into this container. Continue the process by adding more containers and filling them with elements of the pitch. You can even add elements within the flow. Click a plus button in the middle of the flow to add a container. You can also record audio, video, or add text to any container. Once all elements are in place, click Next.